Both of these animals just want to eat, but only one will be successful. Hello there, it is me, the narrator. Today we will learn about backyard animals. Oh look, here's our first animal already. It's an ant carrying food to its nest. Let us follow it. It's amazing how ants can carry twice their own weight. Oh no! Our ant friend was eaten by that garden lizard. Sadly, this must happen because of the food chain. What is the food chain, you may ask? It's a line of plants and animals going from producer to prey to predator. In this case, it goes from leaves to ant to lizard to cat. Let's check on our lizard friend. There he is. He seems to be now avoiding the ants. But why? There's our answer. Cat. They're dangerous predators to this little guy, and they're sitting right where he wants to have dinner. If he's not careful, he will be dinner. Right now he's safe, but just now he'll be hungry. Needs to go into the danger zone. And the cats are just waiting for him. Soon enough he has to eat, and he takes the risk. So far no cats, but this guy is still cautious. Oh no, he's been spotted! Both of these animals just want to eat, but only one will be successful. Brilliant escape, but the chase is on. What's this? Amazing! Lizards shed their tails to distract predators. At least our lizard friend gets to live another day. Looks like these cats are going to have to find something else for dinner.